Wow, they can't stand to be around you because of your success. These individuals are extremely jealous and envious of your achievements. It's very unfortunate because you may have been close, or you are close to these individuals, and you are coming up as an energy that, you know, mind your own business. That's the first thing. And just wants the best for yourself and others around you. You are coming up as an energy that wants everyone else to win. You are coming up as an energy that is just focused on bettering self, becoming the best version of yourself. Unfortunately, these individuals don't like that. You may have found that these people may have aligned with others to team up against you in the past, or maybe they have chosen to align with individuals who have the same envy that they do in regards to you, or they may have chosen to hang out with others who they feel are on their frequency because they don't want to be around you, because you are a reminder to what they could have been. You are a reminder to them in some cases of what they can never be. So they don't want to be around you. For some of you, you may have felt like this person just abruptly cut you off, distance themselves from you. If you were doing something together business wise, for some of you, you may have noticed that this person was moving a bit shady. They were, not being a good team player, because they were sensing and they were seeing that you were rising up in your career, and they felt like they couldn't catch up, or they felt like they will never be in a certain position. For some of you, you may have gotten married, you may have gotten engaged, and this person was very angry, or they are very angry. That's why they don't want to be around you, because they don't want their bad thoughts to seep over. Or maybe they badmouth your relationship. Maybe they told, oh, it's not going to work. You shouldn't go out with people that you date. Oh, that person's not loyal. Everything they said for some of you is happening in their own relationship. They're finding out that their partner's cheating on them. Their partner's not loyal. And that could be the case. That could be one of the reasons why they don't want to be around you, because something's going on in their relationship. And for some of you, you're in a positive, harmonious relationship, or they heard about it, that this could be the one. This relationship is, I'm hearing that song, I'm a big deal. The person who you are connected to is a big deal. You are a big deal. It's giving power couple energy. They didn't envision this for you. They didn't want this for you. They wanted you to be on your own. They didn't want you to have support. They're realizing that you can balance out two different worlds. Some of you do a 9 to 5. Some of you work for organization and you have a side hustle. Some of you work and you look after your children. Some of you work and run your own business. They are shocked. They don't want to be around this, because for some of you, they feel like they wouldn't be able to balance out the two, the way you just make it look so effortless. They are jealous of your creativity, your self-expression. Some of you had a glow up. Some of you are going to have a glow up. They see the transformation within you. You look good. You're being unapologetic about your skills and talents. You're not hiding yourself anymore. And they can't shut you down. They can't talk you out like they may have been able to talk you out of your goals in the past. They realize you are a trailblazer. They're realizing that you are living life on your own terms. You are expanding. You are achieving. You are connecting with people that they can only ever dream of all over the world. They wanted your love life to fail. Some of you have patched up your relationship with a partner. Some of you have gained a new relationship with a partner. They are seeing or hearing about your successes and they cannot cope. They are realizing that their schemes and plots and plans of trying to destroy you, of trying to tear you down, of trying to smear campaign you, has not worked. It has not worked. They are realizing that you have spiritual authority, though they may not want to believe it. They are also having to accept the fact that you are a dynamic spiritual force. They may have downplayed your intelligence. They are angry that you are connected to source. They are angry that you have salvaged your relationship, your marriage for some of you. They are angry that you're getting married for some of you. And they are consumed with rage. They feel scattered. They feel angry. And they want to argue with some of you. So it's advisable to keep away from this person. They feel like their life is chaotic all over the place. And they feel like you have this way about you where you move in silence. They're unable to read you. They are angry that you do not believe that you are weak. They are angry that you know you are powerful. They don't want to be around you. They can't be around you because to them, all these cards in reverse is highlights about what you think about them, because these are positive cards in the reverse. You know, we've got the Justice card, Libra energy. We've got the Strength card, Leo energy. We've got the Hierophant card, Taurus energy. And we've got the King of Wands, Sagittarius and Leo energy. So you could be of those signs, or these individuals. I feel strongly you could be of those signs, or you've got those signs in your chart. Guarantee 100%. And these individuals are angry about it, because you're utilizing the strength